Hello, you're watching The Wire. Today is March 23rd, and this is the daily COVID-19 updates bulletin. Here's a quick roundup of what's happening locally. As of Monday morning, there were 415 total confirmed cases in the country. This includes 24 who have been cured or discharged and 7 deaths. Overnight, Maharashtra and Gujarat reported 18 and 11 new cases respectively, while it took 50 days for the confirmed cases in India to cross 200 on March 20th. It took only 3 days for the number to cross 400 on March 23rd. Most states in India are under a lockdown with their borders shut, like the capital city New Delhi and the state of Maharashtra. Some states have announced full curfews like Punjab and Haryana, and Section 144 has also been imposed in Maharashtra. All in-person hearings in the Supreme Court have been suspended until further notice. The lawyers' chambers have been shut down too, and the court is considering the possibility of allowing lawyers to argue via videoconferencing. Globally, the total cases of COVID-19 stood at over 339,000. More than 14,000 people have died because of the disease so far. 3 Indian nationals from Ladakh who were tested positive for COVID-19 have died in Iran. Last week, the center confirmed that around 255 Indian pilgrims were tested positive for COVID-19 and are stuck in a hotel in Qom city of Iran. On 19th of March, the Ministry of External Affairs confirmed the death of one Indian national in Iran, but the ministry did not identify the deceased or his place of origin. The Chief Executive Counselor of Kargil, Feroz Khan, confirmed the deaths. He said that all 3 of them were from Kargil, but it is not clear whether they died of COVID-19. He said that one of the 3 pilgrims had died in Mashhad, while the others had died in Qom city. Another travel agent said that around 780 Indians from Ladakh are still stranded in Iran. Last week, the Union government had announced that it was working on a plan to evacuate all stranded pilgrims from Iran. India's stock indices posted their worst losses on record after states got into a lockdown one after the other. The S&P BSE Sensex index tumbled 13%, its biggest one-day drop ever since data available since 1979. According to a report published in a local Chinese magazine, people are still testing positive for the new coronavirus in Wuhan, even though 4 days ago, China said that there have been no new cases. The article published in Caixin said that a few or a dozen asymptomatic people who have also been identified as carriers are currently able to transmit the virus to others. Owing to this, the article said that it cannot be ascertained if the transmission has been completely cut off in China. According to Bloomberg, unlike other countries like South Korea, which counts everyone who has tested positive as a confirmed case, China does not include asymptomatic infections in its official count. As per the Caixin report, asymptomatic cases in Wuhan were found when patients were admitted to hospitals for medical observation after coming into close contact with confirmed infections, working at quarantine venues, or at places with elevated risks of exposure. Struggling to meet the coronavirus demand, the US Food and Drug Administration has improved the first rapid coronavirus diagnostic test, with a detection time of about 45 minutes. The test's developer is a California-based molecular diagnostic company, and on Saturday they said that they received an emergency use authorization from the FDA for the test. The test will be used primarily in hospitals and emergency rooms. Former Bollywood producer and convicted sex offender Harvey Weinstein has tested positive for coronavirus while in prison. 2 prisoners at the facility have also tested positive for the virus on Sunday. After doctors in Kashmir questioned the shortage of masks and protective gear, a 10-year-old from Srinagar is making masks at home along with her family. Since Friday, Ayat has made 20 masks and her goal is to make 100 in a week. She says she's learning how to make masks through YouTube videos. The Center for Disease Control and Prevention recently listed homemade masks as potential option to combat shortage of masks. To read more news and analysis, log on to thewire.in. Thank you for watching, stay safe and see you tomorrow.